Hi, today's question is what are the top demanding top 10 jobs for Expo 2021? So we will list out some of the jobs which is in demand, top 10 related to the 2021 job openings. As we know that now job market started awakening and started getting more opportunities, and everybody is getting prepared for 2021, which is about to start in October. So this is a company started opening their vacancies. So let's look at it. What are the top demanding jobs? The most demanding is something related to the hospitality and hotels. That's what the surveys shows. As you know that around 190 countries are participating. So there is a lot of demand for the hotel and hospitality related positions. When you talk about hospitality and hotels, all kinds of positions are open. Even housekeeping, the managers, food and beverage, all the openings are available. And the kind of qualification and experience what you have is related to the hospitality and the hotels. Some with the qualification, some positions you have temporary, also some positions you have permanent. You can log into the concerned websites, and then you can apply for all these positions for the hotel and hospitality related. Another job openings are in marketing related, sales and marketing, especially digital marketing related. Always it is in high demand, and especially for this 2021 Expo, it is in demand. A lot of companies are participating, so they all want a local representative to do this digital marketing. So that is a very high demand in this current market. What certifications and qualifications you need to apply for these jobs are a basic graduation. It is good if you have a basic graduation like BBA or any other IT or engineering, or any qualification is fine, but you should have a good knowledge of digital marketing. I have given a video on this digital marketing, a couple of videos on that one, how to apply, how you can prepare it, what all areas that you have to look into it. So please watch these videos, will give you a good idea about digital marketing. Another one of the openings are in IT and engineering field, where a lot of data analysis, data engineer, data science, so those kind of positions are open. All companies, as you said, a lot of data are going to generate, so data science and data analysis is very important. So that is another hot areas in Dubai's job market, especially for 2021. For Expo 2021, another area open is for the customer service and for event organizing, event administration, exhibitions. So this is another area that we can look at in this for this Expo 2021. Another category of job are related to supply chain logistics. Always in demand, but now more demand of because of this Expo 2021. All freight forwarding, shipping, cargo, warehouse, inventory, procurement, import export, letter of credit, in any of these fields, supply chain operations, every there is a big dimension. All kinds of positions are open now for this Expo 2021. So this is supply chain industry. It is high in demand. So the kind of qualifications what you need is you can after your BBA or after your normal graduation, BBA in supply chain or MBA in supply chain management is preferred. If not, you whatever is your education qualifications, on top of it you can take some of the supply chain related certifications, like a short certifications, because if you want to apply now, you need to apply now, because October we are starting the Expo. So we need to go for a short courses instead of going for long course of 2 years and MBA and masters and all. Let's go for a short courses. There are some certifications available for 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks you can take as part time, or even 2 months time. So 2 to 3 months time you can take small certifications to big international awarding bodies like EPICS certification, or even SIPS. It is hard, you will not be able to complete in 2 months time, but if you very particular in the procurement, you can start with it. Or there is some short programs like CPP, CPPM. So these kind of things will help you to get an immediate position, get you prepared for this applying for the jobs immediately. So this is one in supply chain, or even if you're not looking at the procurement or any operations, even the general supply chain management certifications, again 2 months to 2 weeks to 2 months time. So this is all will prepare you to apply for these jobs. Jobs are open in even in accountancy field, accountancy, finance, financial analyst, or the finance manager, accounts manager, and all these positions open. And as I always used to say, that there are many videos I have done on accountancy and finance qualifications, what are there in demand, how you can approach it. Probably please watch those videos. In summary, there are small, even you can apply for these certain jobs with small certifications, small softwares. So all kinds of even higher levels of qualifications are also available. But if you are targeting for this Expo 2021, we don't have time. Now we are already reached. So it's just only 2 months time. So you need to look at what you can apply in 2 months time, what you can learn in 2 months time, what certification will give you value in 2 months time. So this is what's most important. So there are some kind of certifications which can add value to your profile or your CV within 2 months time. So there are so you have to find out what are the certificates. If you want to know, please send me a request in the comment box. I can guide you which are the small certifications can quickly that you can take it, where you become eligible to apply for these kind of positions. Another positions open are general positions like general administrations, operations, plus you can go for HR. It's another field, HR, secretarial positions. So these are kind of general positions where a lot of companies are looking out and a lot of companies are open. There are some positions, it's because of 2021 Expo 2021, it's not permanent positions, contract based or a short period. Some positions are permanent. So you can different companies have approached different ways, but let's whatever is available options, it's all available in their website, so we can all log in and we'll see what best suits to your career. Another one I don't have to mention, but as you know, medical field, it's pretty much in demand after this pandemic especially. Otherwise also it is in demand. Paramedical, medical, nurses, and all medical sector, it's in high demand. Even now it continues the high demand. So that is one area. Even like any other country, UAE also has lots of requirements for these medical professionals. Next opening is a lot of openings are there in real estate. As you know, this 2021 has bring the market really in demand. So this real estate also is in demand. So there is so many openings in real estate and those kind of sales related positions. Another position, another demand one is more like, you know, bank and compliance related, fraud examiners, CFE, and these kind of certifications is in demand. So related jobs are also in demand. Compliance and all that, it's in high demand positions in 2021. So in general, there are so many opportunities, so many positions are available, and as we said, there are we have very limited time. In another 2 to 3 months time we have, and by October it's picking up. Expo is picking up, so the recruitments are happening. This is the time the recruitments are happening, so we have very limited time. So if you think that you need some kind of education background or some kind of knowledge based trainings and certifications, and that will make you apply for these jobs, please approach the down in the comment box. Please write your requirement, so I will try to give an explanations on what are the best certifications suits you in this short period. For each of these positions, I'll give another video on a specific each positions, how you can apply and what are the knowledge skills is required for each positions, and are you eligible for all this one. So I'll give a different video. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions related to this, please write in the comment box and I'll try to give the replies. Thanks for watching.